Ramesh is a farmer in South India, cultivating crops in his small land holding. With his limited knowledge on soils, he is also not aware of the ideal crops that can maximize profits. He doesn't know much about integrated crop management and other best global agronomic practices. Coromandel International Limited is amongst India's pioneers and leading agricultural solutions provider, offering diverse products and services across the agricultural value chain. Its sustainable farming approach encompasses improving soil health, balancing nutrition, and providing responsible crop care through a series of crop interventions from soil preparation to harvesting. Coromandel wants to serve farmers like Ramesh by imparting knowledge on soils, crop growth, etc. so that they can make wise decisions to increase farm productivity. Coromandel has a huge team of agronomists who educate the farmers in a timely manner by doing free soil testing, providing inputs on nutrition and crop protection. Ashok and Mohan joined Coromandel as agronomist and marketing representative respectively. They are going to be part of Murugappa Group, having a legacy of 120 years. They have been hired by Coromandel as part of the plans to expand the field force manyfold to serve more farmers across different states. Ashok, the agronomist, is fresh out of college, while Mohan has minimal experience in non-agri marketing. They will be intensively trained on novel agronomic technologies, integrated crop and nutrition management, challenges in farms and ideal solutions. The training will also impart knowledge about products that are ideal for crops in different stages. Had Ashok and Mohan joined a few years ago, they would be part of intense classroom sessions running for a couple of weeks. They would have had tough time to focus and grasp the various concepts taught. With many students in the classroom, clarifying doubts also would have been a challenge. As the faculties with rich field expertise have to cover huge syllabus within limited time span, delivering contents consistently to every batch would have been a daunting task. There would be so many concepts and strategies to be shared with the students like Ashok and Mohan to get them field ready. There were lots of costs involving travel, logistics, study material in classroom trainings. While some faculties are from agricultural universities, subject matter experts from Coromandel are also called upon to explain, especially about the product's features and benefits. In the latter case, the SME's productivity is lost. After such long winding trainings, Ashok and Mohan would have carried back many heavy learning materials. It becomes even harder to refer to them when they have a doubt in the field. Retraining is almost impossible owing to the challenges involving costs, logistics and loss of productive days. About 5 years ago, Murali Krishna from Coromandel L&D team joined forces with Dr. Raj from MDC, which is Management Development Center, to capture that extensive tacit knowledge as e-learnings and create a digital knowledge repository. This information library on the cloud can now be accessed by field force like Ashok and Mohan through their tabs. The digital library was branded Vidya Online. Vidya means knowledge in Sanskrit. This was promoted by Murali across Coromandel by stating the benefits of e-learnings. To increase the comfort level and acceptance, Dr. Raj had also proposed that wherever the classroom trainings cannot be replaced, the e-learnings serve as a pre-read as well as a post-program evaluation and can be used as reinforcement tool. Coromandel decided to test a few generic modules in the first year for knowing the efficacy of the knowledge transfer. To encourage greater participation, Murali had taken approval to announce contests and award prizes to winners in different categories. The e-learnings by themselves are a great marketing tool as these were highly engaging with rich graphics, animations, videos, audios and assessments. Suresh is an SME in soil nutrition who had his plate full thanks to his business goals. As he did not have time to create the e-learning himself, Dr. Raj, heading the e-learning initiative in Murugappa Group, received the contents from Suresh and converted them into e-learnings by imparting appropriate pedagogical and instructional design strategies. The e-learning creation team also had knowledge sharing sessions with SMEs like Suresh, receiving clarifications and ensured comprehensive capturing of tacit knowledge. The team also had researched on their own to add value and taken approval of Suresh on the researched contents. Approvals were sought and taken at different production stages before the launch. On the final approval, the module was launched on Vidya Online LMS platform as provided by MDC. The online modules were initially run on the classroom to get the students used to it. Over a period of time, the consumption was close to 100% thanks to the engaging contents and the ongoing contests. The 24 technical modules that are currently available are short and impactful. The learning was quick and highly focused. Ashok and Mohan enjoyed better recall of knowledge imparted. They now enjoy access to knowledge anywhere, anytime. They would not have to slog many days in classroom and can learn comfortably at their pace from their place. When in the field, Ashok and Mohan can quickly access the relevant modules before meeting those who are part of the farming ecosystem. They also showcase these modules to the farmers to increase their knowledge. They can also pause while consuming the module to continue at a later convenient time. As Ashok imparts knowledge to farmers like Ramesh without an intent to sell, Ramesh feels empowered to make wiser decisions leading to better yields through greater farm productivity. Ramesh is free to either contact Mohan to use Coromandel's products or can choose to buy products from any other company. However, it's observed that farmers have showcased greater loyalty to knowledge imparting Coromandel. While Murli and Raj have ensured that Coromandel has saved $2 million across 4.5 years after going digital, the three key businesses in Coromandel has seen a growth in revenues ranging between 12% and 53%. 24 modules covering generic agronomic practices and product-specific knowledge are available currently for the field force. Vidya Online is currently pursuing to create shorter videos that would address specific problems faced by the farming community. Thank you for investing your time in watching our Pecha Kucha presentation on Coromandel's e-learning brand Vidya Online.